In the St. Louis region, Black women are 3 times more likely to die from pregnancy-related complications than other women. This is not because of their choice, but because of long-standing systemic barriers. Generate Health is a nonprofit deeply committed to ensuring that every birthing person, every baby, and every family has the supports that they need. So here to share more on that mission, we have CEO Rose Anderson Rice. Rose, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me, Mary. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, this really is such an important cause. So we mentioned it a little bit there in the intro, but can you just sort of reiterate the importance of Generate Health's mission?
Yes, our mission is to focus in on making sure that women have everything that they need to thrive before, during, and after pregnancy. We're really concerned about Black women and their babies as well, because they're dying 3 times the rate of any other women in our region. And it's usually from preventable pregnancy-related causes, and not because of choices that they're making. It really is about the systems that they're bumping up against: transportation, housing, access to quality health care. And we really truly feel like you should have access to the best health care, the best resources, regardless of your race, regardless of your income, and regardless of your zip code in our region.
Yes, and I love that you mentioned it's before, during, and after.
Yes.
Because that's all part of the pregnancy.
Absolutely.
And there's so many different resources for all of that. So when it comes to this movement, you're having a bit of a movement. Can you tell us about how you want people to join in on this?
Yes, we are an organization that's 25 years old, but we feel like we're the best kept secret. And so we're trying to galvanize and build more awareness in the community about the work that we're doing. And so we would love for folks to join this movement. And there are many ways that you can do that. One, you can go to our website at generatehealthstl.org/help. HELP. And once you go there, we're looking for folks who can help us, co-host events or build awareness within their network by sharing our resources, becoming an ambassador with Generate Health. We have a whole ambassador training that we would do with folks to make them more aware of the work that we're trying to do in community, and then collaborate with us. There are some organizations, healthcare, community-based organizations who can align with our initiatives and help us to address the systemic barriers that families are bumping up against just trying to be healthy.
Right, and reiterating too that these are preventable things,
preventable.
right? And it's just all about that accessibility. Okay, so we have the movement, we know how we can join. Now, what if someone's watching and they actually want to take part in some of your resources? How does that work?
They can go to our website. All of the information is on the website. And again, that's generatehealthstl.org. And if they go to /help, everything's right there. There's something for healthcare providers, something for families, and folks who just want to be part of helping us get the message out about folks being healthy and addressing these systemic barriers in community. We have an event that's coming up as well that I just want to put a plug in.
Let's hear it.
On June 14th, it's a Saturday, it's all day, it's a free summit. And what we're doing, it's entitled Her Health, Our Future. Because the health of the birthing person is important to the future of our region. And so we're coming together, we want to inform, we want to inspire, and we want to give people actionable knowledge that they can then go back into their networks and do things with. And so we're inviting community members, community leaders, healthcare folks, legislators. We want the whole room filled. It's gonna be at UMSL at the Millennium Student Center. And again, it's from 8 to 5. Food is provided, childcare is provided. So just come, be a part of the healing space that we're creating there, and let's get some things done in this city.
Yes, I love that. And bringing the community together to, again, talk about this movement and just how important it is. So thank you so much, Rose, for joining us today.
Thank you, Annie.
There are plenty of ways that you can help. Again, that website's right there on your screen, generatehealthstl.org/help. And you're not going to want to miss that event. June 14th, we'll have further information, ksdk.com/showme.